your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Yeppoon Magistrates Court. It's about a 40-minute drive east of Rockhampton. Client was charged with 3 offences, one of contravene requirement, one of public nuisance, and one of high-range drink driving, reading a point 152. This occurred on New Year's Day. Basically, he was intercepted and carried on a little bit. I won't go into details, but there was enough carrying on to warrant the contravene direction and public nuisance charges in addition to the drink driving charge. So with regard to the drink driving, worst case is a lifetime loss of licence for high range drink driving. Mandatory minimum 6 months, but the 6 months is appropriate where you've got a reasonably low reading within the high range bracket. So high range drink driving kicks in at 0.150 and my client was 0.152, so yes, he was at the bottom end of the high range bracket. However, it was coupled with behaviour, which I'm not going to go into, but warranted those 2 extra charges. So it wasn't a run-of-the-mill RBT or simple cooperative breath test. There was a bit of carrying on. But worst case, lifetime loss of licence for that charge, minimum 6 months. With regard to the other charges, ordinarily you get fines only if you've got no history, so I was going to be pushing for a fine only for the contravene requirement and the public nuisance, and try to push the disqualification down as low as I could for the drink driving. With regard to repairing, we asked our client to do a reformatory course. We get all of our clients to do, asked them to get character references based on a template we provide all their clients. I prepared my submissions prior, flew up yesterday afternoon, stayed at Yeppoon last night, met the client this morning. We grabbed a bit of grass out the front and I went through my submissions with him, the procedure, what he can expect. With regard to what happened in court, I pushed the disqualification down as low as I could. I was pushing for 6 months given he's got no history and given that the reading was at the bottom end of the high range bracket, and for fines only for the other 2 charges. Again, I wanted 6 months and that's what I was pushing hard for, but ultimately, because of his behaviour on the day, the magistrate decided that 7 months was an appropriate disqualification, and I'm not going to lie, I wanted 6, but given the circumstances in which he was intercepted, 7's a fair outcome. Again, I would have liked 6, but I'm happy with 7 given what was going on the day. So 7-month disqualification, a combined fine, which was a moderate fine, and I got no conviction recorded for the contravene direction and public nuisance charges. Traffic conviction was recorded for the drink driving, but there was no justification that I could put to the magistrate to warrant the non-recording of a traffic conviction, but no conviction recorded for the contravene direction and public nuisance, 7-month disqualification and a combined reasonable fine. Client's very happy and glad it's all over. I'm Andrew Wiseman at Yeppoon Magistrates Court. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving?